it's Tokuta the Wolf, and welcome to WolfFang Formations. Today we're going to be looking at this monoprice Maker Select Mini. This is my first printer, and we're going to see if we can bring this guy back to life. Now, I know for sure I have a power supply for this. I have an SD card somewhere in storage, like everybody does. But the main problem today with this little guy right here, this is Z-axis. There is no grip on that whatsoever. I think that we are missing the bolt for that. So we are going to start by taking off this Bowden extruder tube, this little nylon tube nut right here. Boop, boop, boop. Let's do that. Then we are going to clip without clipping those wires, because those are some very important wires. As you can see, they hold the fan, the little heating element, and the thermistor. Now we're going to take, where are you? There you are. Take this casing off right here. Now, I normally have a little tray for all these screws and whatnot, but I just set up the shop. I cannot find it anywhere. This is a brand new workbench, complimentary of the Beech Grove. Why is there two different types of screws in here? Ooh, that is the wrong way. I don't want to break that. Courtesy of the Beech Grove Emporium. There we go. Now everything is off and off. And I will set this back here, and I will reattach this for right now, just so that way we do not lose either these screws or this frontal plate. That's the last thing we want to do is lose parts, especially here. Yeah. Alright. Now, like I said, today we are removing this plate right here so we can access the Z-axis up in there. As you can see, when I lift, I don't know if you can see that, but when I lift, that Z-axis is not a turning. So I'm pretty sure I stripped that out. If so, we may be looking at some new parts. Yay, parts. There's one, two, I feel like Mr. Owl, three, chomp. Bend that back, but of course it's fighting me. Like any good printer, it will fight you. Come here, you little curmudgeon. You're supposed to be a lot easier to access. So, that was a lie. What I'm doing now is I'm taking off the base plate so I can get to the screws underneath. Like I said, this is what would having a little set of trays would be handy for, which is going to be in my next, probably in my next video when I do workshop upgrades. That nut broke. Straight up just busted. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what went wrong and what could go right. So this nut right here looks like it completely stripped out. Get you guys in there with me. So these two nuts right here, they go up and down on the Z-axis, and that's what lifts it up and down. However, this nut holds these into this little plastic bracket right here, you know, where it's supposed to be anyway. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, looks like I'm going to take the entire thing out real quick and fix it. Hopefully I have a spare nut. If not, you know what that means? We're going parts hunting. And if that's the case, I will see you guys in another video. Because I don't have time to go parts hunting today. This pupper still has to work. Can't even see what's going on over here. Get over here. Come here. Alright. So now I gotta take these two Phillips heads. Don't you dare drop on the floor, mister. Get back here. There we go. Stay. Look at me. My screws are loose. Ah! Well, you needed to be oiled anyway. Alright, now, moment of truth. Back you out a little bit more and see if I can get you off the spline so I can do some repair work. You are not supposed to come all the way out, you cheeky little devil. Go back in. You're in timeout, go back in. Alright. There we go. I said squishy spawn. Okay. Now, I do not know where my mallet went, so we're going to be using the end of this razor. Don't worry, blades retracted. Safety first, kids. You can't even see what I'm doing. See, just this little nut. Oop, I probably just got grease all over the camera. Oh, jeez-o. Okay. There we go. That looks great. Top-down view. So we're going to take this, just going to press, and it's in. And then some quick tippity taps. We're going to take this, we're going to make sure it's in there by doing a quick little rolly roll. Then rolly roll again, and that is in. And then these should just thread so smoothly on. Please don't make me an idiot in front of millions of people on YouTube. And I know most people, when they do repairs, they use automotive grease or silica grease. I prefer lithium grease, just so that way it helps cut down on oxidation. And I like the smell. I'm not gonna lie to you, I love the smell of lithium grease. It's just a little dab here and there, then I'll work it into the spline. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. If I really wanted to speed this up, I could put this on my drill, but you know what? Even though we're trying to do this quickly today,